Hi. Ayo, what's up, guys? Uh, for today, we're gonna be talking about how beautiful words can be. Wait, I don't know, guys, pero you probably think na you probably heard na yung background noise ko, and yeah, ang ingay nga kasi nga may nagpapatugtog, and yeah, may nagagawa, and kakatas ko lang ng online class. And ayun nga. So, back to the topic. We're gonna be talking about how beautiful words can be. So, first of all, itong topic na to is ni-recommend ng friend ko, and yeah, I hope she's doing okay. She's doing alright. And yeah, how beautiful words can be. And yeah, ano nga ba ang beauty of words and how you persuade it? How limitless is beauty in words can be. So, bali after niya to i-recommend sa akin is like dumaan na siya sa isip ko for many times, and sometimes we can see poetry everywhere. Like nung nasa bus ako, nangyari din to sa TikTok eh. And yan, naalala ko yun. Like nung nasa bus, then yung mga droplets ng tickets, kasi 'di ba binubutas yun once na you're like you're allowed to ride the bus with them. And yeah, binubutas yun, and as you can see, yung may droplets doon, which is the meaning of the droplets is yung each background of the people who are in that bus, and why are they in the bus with us. And yun lang, right? Yung mga stories nila, so ang daming droplets, like mapupuno na. So yeah, parang ano lang, like like yung new classmates, like mga new classmates on the first day, wala kayo kilala, so ang tawagan lang namin is, "What's up, pre? Yo, pre, ingat. Tol, ingat." And yeah, something like that. And yeah, mag-end yung araw ng class without knowing each other's names. And that is totally funny and so wholesome for me. And one more thing, when you guys have a report in school, and the panelists ask you, and you go poop blank, like yeah, blank, biglang nag-blank yung mind mo, yun. Pero pag step out mo ng room, pagtapos na yung defense nyo, tsaka ka makakaisip ng sagot, right? Ganon minsan. So tsaka lang nagpa-function yung brain mo, kasi because of the pressure. Sometimes we have to let go of the pressure. Like I said, poetry is everywhere, and hindi ko alam, hindi na alam pinagsabi ko dito. Hindi ko alam pinagsabi ko dito. Like kanina bang panaginip to? Always remember na there are always beauty in everything, not just words. So in short, words are beautiful. Beauty comes within us. It comes from literally everywhere. And it seems like kahit ano pa yan, like past life experiences, of course, it's beautiful. Any experiences, first time smoking, drinking, whatever. Hindi ako nag-smoke. I mean, first time everything. Pero hindi ako smoker, hindi ako drinker. Occasional drinker, yeah. Pero yan, blah blah blah. Kahit ano pa yan. Yan, sabi ko nga, everything is beautiful. You just have to appreciate the beauty of everything, even if it's not perfect. Like, may past topic, like wabi sabi. But yeah, you just have to embrace and appreciate the imperfections of that certain thing, of or that say sure or that certain person nabubulol ako sa R. And yun, every words are beautiful. It's just the way on how we appreciate it. Like like me. I mean, I didn't even plan na magsulat like script for a podcast or something. I didn't plan either na mag-share ng thoughts sa podcast here. But now I appreciate how beautiful my words can be without being appreciated, as long na I'm happy and ginagawa ko yung gusto kong gawin, which is syempre every words here is made by madami. It's made by me. Madami. It's my words are made by madami. Made by smiles, cries, laughter. Yeah, it's made by many emotions. And yeah, I do not seek to make history or to gain fame, but my words are clear, simple, and yet thoughtful of words with many different backgrounds. So, all I have to say is always enjoy the beauty of it. Ayun lang guys. Bye-bye.